So let's have a look at GOGO stock. If you're not familiar, this is GOGO Air. Whenever you get on a plane, most likely have used these guys, okay? And this stock today is up 10%, market closed. Stock closed at $23, which is all-time highs, 52-week highs. Not sure about all-time highs. All-time highs is about 35. So we're gonna take a look at what levels to watch. Last time when I covered this name, it didn't do much. I think I covered this name back at these $15 levels. It came back to 10 and moved within this range and then broke out. And very recently I did trade this stock somewhere. Where did I trade it? Right here when it was trying to break out of $20. I sold at 22. Stock flushed pretty big. They got added to S&P 600 small cap index over there, and after that, pretty much after this huge volume, I thought maybe it will pull back before it gets added officially, before index starts buying. And now look at this. I mean, it's today traded more than average of the volume. Well, 4.6 million volume traded. Average true range for the stock $1.20. So it can move up and down within that range. It has been moving for the past 14 days. But if you look at last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading sessions, it's been pretty volatile. But last 3 days, this move up from 19 to 23.60, it was up in a relatively low volume, and even today it was moving up with relatively low volume, and then volume came in later. So definitely on watch. Today I did trade it after seeing it get back above 22. I did go in and out. Basically I went for 24 calls, 25 calls. I was a bit greedy right here when it broke out at 23.60ish. My calls were at one point up 400%, but I ended up taking profit somewhere here at 23, saying, okay, I'm not gonna hold it overnight, but if tomorrow we're above these levels, yeah, possibly I will go back in. But at the time of this filming video, I don't have any position. I also had 22 calls with my different account. Well, I mean, with this account, I think had 22 calls for GOGO, which same thing. I bought it yesterday somewhere here at 45 cents. Sold it at 136. Looks like I got 4 contracts somewhere here. Monday even. Okay. Yeah, it was Monday yesterday, and today I sold it right here, and it closed at 132. So I sold it for 136. Still 200% small size, but then what to watch here? So the short pretty much interest from here. So what's the short interest going into today? It's not going to show right here right now, but we can just at least take a look at the Finviz, what it was before today. And it's definitely didn't come, we didn't see this much volume came in. 4 million volume came in. So let's say share float is 80 million, and from that 20%, which is okay, 16 million short. I mean, only maybe a fraction of that people covered it, because I mean, stock is relatively cheap and it's not moving fast, so maybe losses are for those people relatively manageable. Maybe they're not panicking yet. People who were panicking, I mean, they already covered. But if it moves higher with a bit faster pace, all those people will get squeezed very, very hard, and this stock can go back to all-time highs, which is 35. So from here, I'm going to be watching 25 as a resistance, and after 25, well, 35. That's my resistance for the stock basically. And also earnings for the stock is May 5th, and also I think they can report really good earnings based on TCA numbers. Tomorrow, Delta Airlines is going to report earnings that can move the stock. Let's take a look at TCA numbers. I was checking TCA numbers for travelers to see what's the volume for the past, well, at least for month. And you can see 2022 numbers are basically 90% of what it was in 2019 before pandemic. So travel stocks should do well, in my opinion, if they start reporting earnings. And going into this summer, look at these numbers. Like April 11th, okay, yesterday, 2.1 million passengers, and 2019 it was 2.4. 2020 100,000, 2021 1.4. So you can't just scroll through pretty much all. I have been following it since the beginning of January, and more people flying, and these numbers are getting pretty much close to that full capacity that was being reported in 2019. So I think it will help if this stock gets back above 25. I think this stock is about to fly. Even after this 23, if 23 holds, I might re-enter this stock. But at the moment, I just closed out, and we'll see what happens. But that's the update. Still watching it to the upside. Of course, I'm bullish, but without a position right now, right here. So thanks for watching. We'll see what happens. There's another stock that I'm watching, like yesterday, I think Veru, right? This stock, penny stock, pretty much shot up from $4 all the way to $14 in a matter of a single day. And there's another stock I'm watching on my watch list, Ater, ATER, which is Arthurian home furnishing stuff. So this stock is about to break out as well. I'm watching $5, and of course I'm not trading it with these. I don't trade shares, so I'm watching these stocks to possibly trade premiums. And if I look at these contracts, I mean, this stock has a contract as well. GOGO has options as well. So I'm just watching option activity for these stocks. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Didn't want it to make too long, but keeping an eye on those two names. Take care. Peace.